Z.com.
Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through the step-by-step process of changing your name servers within the Z.com dashboard. Properly configuring your name servers is a crucial step in connecting your domain to your hosting services. Today, we'll be focusing on how to set your domain to use Z.com's official name servers to ensure your website remains stable and fully integrated. To get started, log in to your Z.com account. Once you are on the main dashboard, there are two quick ways to find your domain settings. First, you can look at the top navigation bar. You will see a Domains option in the header. Alternatively, you can find the Domains section directly in the center of your dashboard. Simply click on it to view the list of domains you currently manage. Now that you're on the domain list page, you'll see a list of your domains. To save time, especially if you have a long list, you can use the search function at the top. Simply type the name of the domain you want to manage into the search bar. Once it appears in the filtered results, click on the domain name. This will open up the specific management settings where we can begin the name server update. Always double-check that you've selected the right domain before moving to the next step. Once the page loads, you will see your current default name servers. For educational purposes, it's important to know that these name servers act as the primary configuration point for your domain's DNS management. Without these, you wouldn't be able to utilize essential features like URL forwarding, which sends visitors to a different web address, or manage other DNS records that connect your domain to external services. By using the default settings, you are allowing Z.com to handle all these technical routing tasks for you automatically. Now, we are going to change the settings to the Z.com custom name servers. To do this, select the option to use custom name servers and enter the following addresses. In the first field, type ns-wh1.web.z.com. In the second field, enter ns-wh2.web.z.com. Using these specific records ensures your domain is perfectly synced with the Z.com hosting environment, allowing for better performance and easier management of your website files and services. Also make sure that if there are any name servers currently saved, you must remove them all. Clearing out the old records ensures there are no conflicts when we update the system. Congratulations! You have successfully updated your name servers to Z.com. Now that you've saved your changes, there is one final thing to keep in mind: DNS propagation. This is the period of time it takes for internet nodes across the globe to update their records and recognize your new name server settings. Typically, this process can take anywhere from a few minutes to 24 or even 48 hours to fully complete. During this time, your website might appear offline or show the old version to some users while the new settings spread across the web. Don't worry, this is a standard part of how the internet works. Once propagation is finished, your domain will be fully synced with your Z.com hosting. If this video helped you get your setup running, please hit the like button and subscribe for more straightforward tutorials. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll catch you in the next one.